These are 4 ways to make her worry about losing you. Number one on my list is be her peace, give her joy. There are some men, especially husbands, once they realize that he's coming or they sight him at the gate coming, everybody goes quiet, everybody goes on mute. Everyone starts packing up their properties because their daddy is coming, because their daddy is around. That is not um that is not a sign of respect. Sometimes that is not a sign of respect. It is a sign of fear and insecurity. Whenever you are coming, you don't bring joy, you don't bring peace, you don't bring a lifted atmosphere. Rather, you make them moody. It now seems like all the fire is quenched, all the lighted up energy is now quenched. So be her peace, give her joy. That is one way to make her scared of losing you. And number two on my list is find her need. Look for that thing that makes her happy, that thing that she needs, give it to her. Find her need, that thing that if you give it to her or even ask her, what do you need? Sometimes women may not really open up to you to tell you about their needs or to tell you to buy this or buy that for them. But go out of your way to do some things for her, to buy things for her, to help her financially. Just go out of your way and know that thing that is pressing to her. Know her need. It can be phone. You may just be seeing her phone that is not well to do again, that the screen has broken and all of that, that the battery is not lasting again. Because she have not asked you, you are not going to bother. But if you have been living with her, she's your wife, you should know that, okay, it's like this woman needs a change of phone. Oh. Maybe it's high time I get her another phone. You buy her without her asking. You get her a phone. Alright? And that is my number two. Number three ways you can make her worry about losing you is to take care of yourself as a man too. I said it. Take care of yourself as a man. That is number three ways you can make her worry about losing you. Take care of yourself. Because nobody loves someone that is not well to do. Nobody loves someone that is not taking care of him or herself. So if you want her to worry about losing you, be looking good. Be looking good. Maintain yourself. Take care of yourself. Be looking at yourself. Have a good haircut. Have a nice cologne, perfume. Smell nice. Look good. Dress well. Change your wardrobe even as a man too. Change your wardrobe. It's not the same clothes you have been wearing since God knows when. You will just be wearing, repeating clothes, repeating clothes, repeating clothes. If it's in your capacity to change one or two clothes to appear different in her face, to appear fresh, because every time you go out and come back, you are wearing the same clothes, you are wearing the same shoe, you are wearing the same everything. You say you are taking care of family. You say you are taking care of family. You say you want to do this, you want to do that. You are taking care of your household. You are taking care of family. Therefore, you cannot look good again. You cannot take care of yourself because you are a messiah of your household. You cannot take care of yourself. You cannot go and change your boxers. They want you to also look good. To have a change of boxers, singlets. Not you'll be wearing theater singlets all over. Theater boxers, brown boxers, because you are taking care of family. As you are taking care of family, take care of yourself. Look at yourself. Alright? Look at yourself. It's very, very important because if anything happens to you, life continues. And that is on 100. Whatever happens in life, life will continue. Even your family will continue. Even your family will eat. They will not starve. They will not go into starvation. Oh. You understand? Even if anything happens to you, nobody is going to die out of hunger. Another means will come out. Another way to come out. Another way to eat. Another means to eat will come out. So don't go and buy yourself because you are saving family. Messiah, Jesus Christ. Don't go and buy yourself. Take care of yourself is very, very important. And that is my number three. And taking care of yourself can also be physically, mentally, spiritually. Not just looking good. I just needed to put this. Alright? Because you just be taking care of yourself at the end of the day. You are looking good. You are not exercising physically. You are not fit. It's not just going to barb your hair, changing your boxers and singlets. All those ones is external. Looking good, exercising, going for checkups, uh, taking care of your mental health. Taking care of your spiritual life and all of that is part of taking care of yourself. So I just needed to put a caveat to that, to add this one, all right? Because most times people think that going to the beer parlor, drinking alcohol, drinking to stupor, just gyrating and having fun is just taking care of themselves. But medically, they are gone. Body wise, internal body wise, they are gone. So go for medical checkup to know when your BP is rising, to know when your BP has risen, to know whether your particulars are in order, your kidney, your liver, and all of that. Check up. When you have a slight headache, go and check. Go to lab, go to the hospital, go to these practitioners. Let them ask you, let them know how you are faring. Check up yourself. All right. And that is my number 3. Number 4 ways you can make her worry about losing you is be a good listener. Listen to her. Be a good listener. Be a good observer. Know how she's faring. Sometimes women don't want to spell out everything for you. They just want you to know. They just want you to observe by yourself. They just want you to read their mind. So be a good observer. Be a good listener. When she opens up to you to speak to you, don't be judgmental. Don't listen to attack. Don't be defensive when you are listening. If she's talking about how she's feeling about the relationship, if she's talking about how she's feeling towards you, don't be defensive. Try to defend yourself. Try to buttress the point that it's a lie. So just be a good listener and have empathy. All right, have empathy. Put her in your shoes. That thing she's complaining. What if it is me that is complaining that to her? How will I react? How will she feel? So have empathy, have compassion, listen to her. And that is my number 4. Number 5 is create your own world. Aside relationship, aside family, have a time of your own. Have an alone time. Create your own space. Not a space in the house, but your space in your heart, in your mind, in your soul. Have recreational activities, things that will keep you body and soul, body, soul, and spirit together. All right, things that will keep your spirit, soul, and body together. Have an activity. Create your own world. Create your own sport. If you enjoy watching football, when the time comes for football, you go and watch and come back. You understand? Respectfully and responsibly. Respectfully and responsibly. You go and have fun for yourself. You get? So just create your own world. Do things that makes you happy. Because women like a vibrant husband, a vibrant man, not a man that is boring, or not a man that does not have leisure, or things that makes him alive, things that makes him alive, that keeps him alive, that makes him happy. Let her see that you have a life. Let her see that you have a life. And that is my number 5. Number 6 is create a balance in the relationship. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So it's not always work, work, work. So have a time for family. Balance the relationship with your work. Don't make your relationship suffer, neither your work. Don't make your work suffer, neither your relationship. So create a balance. Some people, they know how to work, but they don't know how to, how to come back. And they don't know how to realize that, yes, I'm working, but I have a family. Yes, I'm working, but I have a relationship. I have people who I am accountable to. I have people who are looking up to me. I have a wife. I have kids. All right. They don't know how to balance it. They want to work, work, work. So create a balance. All right. Number 7 and last on my list is give consequences and also rewards. All right. Give consequences and also rewards. Let there be consequences for any action and also reward for good deeds. In other words, if there are good deeds by her, give a reward to it. Praise her, love her, cherish her. See all the good things that she's doing. Reward her. You can go out and buy things for her. Surprise her because of the good deeds. Reward her. If there are consequences, if there are bad deeds, also show it. If there are bad deeds, also show it. So let it not be that it's not balanced. If there are bad deeds, disrespect, look down, or whatever it can be, give consequences and stand by it. If there are good deeds, reward her, so that she will also know that you did these things because she did well, and it will make her to do more. But if she always does good deeds and you don't see it, just overlook it, and now want to always give her consequences for the bad deeds that she did, it's not going to be balanced. All right, it's not going to be balanced. And that is it on this one. Thank you so much for watching. I remember I'm Self Chica. Please stay tuned to my channel as I bring you tips for a healthy lifestyle. All right, see you in my next one. Bye.